just taking in the struggle. Creator God, giving destiny. So believe